Making requests and responding to requests. Subscribe my YouTube channel Vijay Kumari TLM and Spoken English. A request is asking someone to do a favor or for something. It's important to be polite when doing so. Making and responding to a request can be done in different ways. Examples: can you open the doors for me, please? Could you close the door for me, please? Will you lend me your book, please? Would you mind opening the window, please? The following are few commonly used phrases or expressions for performing these functions. Making request. Can you please? Will you please? Could you please? Do something for me, please. Is there any chance you could? Do you think you could? Could you possibly? I wonder if you could possibly. Do you mind? It is like saying, is there a problem if? Would you mind? It is like saying, is there a problem if? Responding to request. Accepting request. Yes, sure, sure. Yes, of course. Certainly, yes. With pleasure. Sure. Don't worry. Sure. No problem. Refusing request. Oh, sorry. I can't. I just can't. I'm sorry. I'm afraid, but I can't. Certainly not. Examples: could you please help me with this exercise? Of course. Do you mind going with me to the market? No, I don't mind. Accepting request. Would you mind lending me some money? Yes. Refusing request. Things to remember while making requests. Can is informal and can be used with someone we know. Examples: can you open the window, please? Sure. Can you give me some water, please? Of course. Could is used in formal contexts and is more polite than can. We can use it with someone we know or someone we don't know. Examples: could you bring me some salt, please? Yes, certainly. Could you please repeat? Yes, of course. Will is both informal and formal, whereas would is formal. Will you pass the salt, please? Sure. Here it is. Would you fill in this form? Certainly. Would you mind is used in formal context and always followed by a gerund. It means ing form, verb plus ing form. Examples: would you mind giving me your book? No, I don't mind. This is a positive response to the request. Yes, this is a negative response to the request. Can is used to perform various functions. We should be able to differentiate these in usage. Teja can speak 4 languages, expressing ability. Can I use your restroom? Asking permission. Can you close the door? Please. Making request. Can you close the door, please? Making request. You can get stamps in that shop. Expressing possibility. Can I help you with the luggage? Offering help. Subscribe my YouTube channel Vijay Kumari TLM and Spoken English. Thank you for watching my video.